Hi everyone, my name is Perfect and I welcome you back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do trigonometry, which includes a solution of non-right angle triangles and right angle triangles. But before we get started, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Let's get started. This is our question here. It's saying in the diagram ABC is an acute angle triangle in which AB is equal to 12 centimeters, BC is equal to 15 centimeters, and angle CAB is equal to 58 degrees. AB is 12 centimeters, BC 15 centimeters, and angle CAB, which is angle A, is 58 degrees. And our first question is calculate ACB. So angle ACB. So we have to calculate angle C. So before we start to calculate this angle, I'm going to explain briefly how you identify sides of an non-right angle triangle. So this is our non-right angle triangle, and here we have A, here we have B, and here we have C. So these are big letters, they represent angles. So this is angle A. So to find side A, it's opposite angle A. So this is side A. This is angle B. This is side B. This is angle C. This is side C as well. So this is how you identify angles and sides of an right angle triangle. So let us go back to our main diagram. So on our diagram here we have A, which is an angle. So side A is 15 centimeters. So here we label it 15. We write it in the sides. We write them in small letters. So angle A, side A, angle B, side B, angle C, side C. So here we have to find angle C. So being given two sides and one angle, finding the missing angle, we use sine rule. So the formula for the sine rule is sine A over A is equals to sine B over B is equals to sine C over C. So when finding angles, you put the bigger letters on top and small letters at the bottom. And when you are finding sides, you put the small letters on top and the bigger letters at the bottom. So here we have angle A and side A. So we use A and we are finding C. So we are using A and C. So let us rewrite our formulas. So sine A over A is equals to sine C over C. So our sine A is sine 58. So for sine 58 over our side A is 15, and our sine C is the unknown, and side C which is 12. So we cross multiply here and it becomes sine 58 times 12. All this divided by 15 is equals to sine C. So sine 58 is 0.8480 times 12 divided by 15 is equals to sine C. 0.8480 times 12 is 10.1765 divided by 15 is equals to sine C. So let me rub off here. So 10.1765 divided by 15 is 0.6 0.6 784 is equals to sine C. And you can say this angle is less than 1 degrees. So you click second function, sine 0.6 784, and you get 42.7187 is equals to sine C. So to one decimal place, it becomes, you look at your 7 and you look at your next number, so it becomes 42.7 degrees is equals to sine C. So our angle C is 42, so our answer here is 42.7 degrees. And our next question is calculate the perpendicular distance from C perpendicular distance from C to AB. So it means we have to draw a line from C so that it meets with AB. So draw a perpendicular line. Let me draw a dotted line here so that you can see what is happening. And let us name this point P, perpendicular. And let me split this triangle from the whole diagram so that you can see clearly what I'm doing here. So here is perpendicular P, this P, and here we have B, and here we have C. When a perpendicular and a horizontal line meet, they form 90 degrees. So here we have 90 degrees, and this side, which is A, we have 15. Yeah, that's it. So now we have a right angle triangle. So if you haven't watched my video of solving right angle triangles, please check it out. I've put a link in the description. So this side, the slant height of a right angle triangle, we call it a hypotenuse because it's opposite 90 degrees. Call it hypotenuse. So our next step here, for us to be able to calculate this missing side, which is the perpendicular, let us name it X. We have to have two angles on our triangle here. So to find this angle with B, I will go back to our this main diagram here. So now we have 58, and we have find C. So we say 58 plus 42.7 from 180, because angles, interior angles of a triangle, they add up to 180. So we say 58 degrees plus 42.7 degrees is 100.7. From 180, we say 180 degrees minus 100.7 degrees is 79.3 degrees. So our angle B here is 79.3 degrees. So this is 79.3 degrees. So now we can solve our missing side here. So this side with two marked angles is called adjacent. Adjacent is the side with two marked angles, and this X is opposite. So this is the angle we are using. Let us label it. It is labeled by this sign, which is Peter, and the side opposite Peter is opposite. It's called opposite. So our X here, our perpendicular here is opposite. So now we have identified our sides. So there's an acronym which is used, which is CHA SHO TAO. CHA SHO TAO. Some they use soccer TAO, but I prefer CHA SHO TAO. So basically this C represents cos theta, which is um, adjacent of hypotenuse, and this S is sine theta, which is opposite of hypotenuse, and this T is for tan theta, which is opposite of adjacent. So in this case we have to find this X, which is our opposite, and we have 15, which is our hypotenuse. So we have to use opposite and hypotenuse. From our acronym here, where we have opposite and hypotenuse is at S, which is sine theta. So our formula for sine theta is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So our angle here, theta, is 79.3. So we say sine 79.3 is equals to our opposite, which is this side, which is X, and our hypotenuse is 15. So to get X, we say X is equals to, we'll cross multiply here, sine 79.3 times 15. So sine 79.3 is 0.9826 times 15. So our answer is 0.19826 times 15 is 14.739. So this is our X, this is our X. So to three significant figures, 1, 2, 3, and we look at our 3 here, it becomes 14.7. So this is our answer. Our perpendicular is 14.7 centimeters. And our next question, is saying calculate AC, this AC, this side B. So to find AC, this is the side, and here we have an angle, here we have an angle in the side. So we can use sine rule again. We're going to use cosine, but let us use sine rule. So we are finding sides, like I said previously. When you are finding sides, you start writing small letters at the top. So we say A over sine A is equals to B over sine B is equals to C over sine C, and we have to find side B. So we are using B and A, because here we have 58 and 15 and A. So let us substitute. Our side A is 15 over sine A is 58 is equals to our B is the unknown, and our sine B is 79 sine 79.3. So we say cross multiply 15 times sine 79.3, all this over sine 58. This is our B here. So 15 times sine 79.3 it's 14.7391 divided by sine 58. This is our P. So 15 times 14.7391 divided by sine 58. Sine 58 is 0.8480. So 15 times 14, 15 times sine 79.3 it's 14.7391. So here is 14.7391 divided by sine 58, and sine 58 is 0.8480. So we say 14.7391 divided by 0.8480. This is our B. So our B, it becomes 17.38. So to 3 SF, 3 significant figures, 1, 2, 3, and look at our 8 here, it's 17.4 centimeters. So this is our B. Our B, which is AC, which is said AC, is 17.4 centimeters. And our last question is, given that L lies on AC and that AL is equal to 6 centimeters, calculate BL. So given that L, which is L here, lies on AC, line AC, and that AL is 6 centimeters, calculate BL. So we have to find this side. So let me split this small triangle from the whole diagram. So this is our small triangle here, and here we have A, here we have L, and here we have B. And they are saying that AL is 6 centimeters, and here we have AB is 12 centimeters, and at A we have 58 degrees. So this is, I splitted this triangle from the diagram. So our triangle here is AL, LB. So to find BL, so like I said, here is side A, here we have L, and here we have B. So in this case we have L, we don't have C. You can use any letters. So to find BL, which is side A, we use cosine rule, because you have been given two sides, one angle. Finding the missing angle, the missing side, I mean, you use cosine rule. So we say A squared, because we are finding A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC times cos A. So our A squared here is equal to B squared, our side B, which is 6 centimeters. Our C squared, here we don't have C, so we are going to substitute C with L. So our L is 12 centimeters minus 2 times 6 times 12 times cos 58. So cos 58 is 0.5299. A squared is equal to 6 squared is 36, 12 squared is 144, minus 2 times 6 it's 12, and 12 times 12 is 144, times cos, let me rub off here, cos 58, like I said, is 0.5. Here there's no cos, because we have already punctured this cos 58 on the calculator. It's 0.5 here, 0.5299. So it's here 0.5299. We say A squared is equal to 36 plus 144 is 180, minus 144 times 0.5299 it's 76.3056. So a squared is equals to 180 minus 76.3056. It's 103.694. So to get a, because we need a only, so we root both sides so that we can be left with a. Let me rub off here. So our a, now we have a because we have root of both sides. So our a is equals to the square root of 103.6944. It's 10.1830. So this is our a. There's no squared here. We rub off this squared. So our a is equals to 10.1830. So to 3SF, here there's no a, there's no square, this square. Let me rub it over again. So our a is equals to 3SF 10.1830 to 3SF 123, and look, and here we have 8, so we add this one with 1, so it makes 10.2 centimeters. So our a is 10.2 centimeters, which is BL. So our BL is 10.2 centimeters. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.